In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see tant que. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about tant que, and the conjunction tant que can be translated into various ways in English, including as long as, while, and so long as. So we will see some examples with tant que. Tant que tu étudies régulièrement, tu réussiras tes examens. Tant que tu étudies régulièrement, tu réussiras tes examens. Je resterai ici tant que tu auras besoin d'aide. Je resterai ici tant que tu auras besoin d'aide. Tant que le soleil brille, nous profiterons de la plage. Tant que le soleil brille, nous profiterons de la plage. Tant que tu es en bonne santé, tu devrais poursuivre tes rêves. Tant que tu es en bonne santé, tu devrais poursuivre tes rêves.